How to deactivate Airbnb account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can deactivate your Airbnb account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to deactivate your Airbnb account, go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Airbnb application. Once you launch the Airbnb app, come to the account icon from the bottom right of the screen, which is this little profile icon that you can find. Once you click the profile icon over here, simply go to the option called login and security and then select it. Once you go to login and security, it may take a couple of seconds for this page to load up, so let us wait until this has been loaded up. Once it gets loaded up, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and right at the very bottom you'll find account, deactivate your account, and on the right hand side you can see this red text that says deactivate. Make sure to click on the deactivate option. It will ask you for a confirmation, so select a reason as to why you want to deactivate it. Click on continue, enter your password and click the deactivate account option, and your Airbnb account will get successfully deactivated. This way you will be able to deactivate your Airbnb account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.